Hi there, welcome. My name is Kelly, and today we are practicing a mindfulness breathing meditation. As usual, I like to start by being thankful to our spirit guides, guardian angels. So, thank you, ancestors, spirit guides, guardian angels, for your guidance, support, and enlightenment during this practice. Let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position. You may choose to sit, lean against a wall, a couch, or bed. You can also lie down. But if sitting in a chair, have your feet planted on the floor. Keep your back, your spine, long, tall, balanced. And feel free to rest your arms, your palms, wherever feels comfortable for you. Now let's start with bringing our attention to the breath, our normal breath and its sensations. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. Letting go of any tension or worries that you might have. As we continue to breathe, start noticing for a moment how deep your breath is. Becoming aware of the sensations of the breath, the touch, the connection of our bodies with the earth, and the sensations we feel in our bodies. Let the breath become an anchor, grounding you in this present moment. Let's take a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. During our in-breaths, we count to 4. We hold at the top for 4 counts, and we exhale for 4 counts. Here we go. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Now back to our normal breathing pattern. Slowly start counting down from 10 to 1 until we're fully relaxed. Take your time. And if the mind wanders, that's completely fine. Let the thoughts travel in and out without judgment. And bring your awareness back to the breath. And if it helps, you can also repeat in your mind's eyes, breathing in, 1, 2, breathing out, 1, 2, breathing in, 1, 2, breathing out, 1, 2. And always remember to be kind to yourself. And when you're ready, you slowly bring your awareness to where you are. Becoming aware of the sensations of your body, your physical body. Becoming attuned to the sounds around you, wiggling your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste. And as usual, if you enjoyed the session, join me the next time. Just subscribe to the channel so you know when I upload the next video. See you next time.